boom boom bandidi, a doom dum day, a doom dum day, do 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 do.
Well, hello and welcome to Happy Petting on the Job. Now, I am still hunting for my animal on the job. Well, I'm in the interiors of India in a small little place called Sangli. I'm going to meet somebody from this organization called Rahat, which I'm looking for, and they can guide me with what we can do with our working animals. So, let's see how that goes.
Hello. Hello, Keith.
Yes? Hi.
Hi. I'm Dr. Naresh Uprati from Animal Rahat.
Oh, hi, Doc. I've been actually looking for Rahat. I didn't know how to get to. How do you recognize me, though?
I have seen you in Heavy Petting, so that's how I recognized
nice, small world. Thank you very much. It's a privilege to meet you. And in fact, we want to go to Rahat. So which way? Am I heading the right way?
Yeah, no, we have to you are in the right way. We have to go to this
come.
way. Yeah,
that's
please.
nice. Okay, so you are you in charge of Rahat? You are, right?
Yeah, definitely.
Okay. How long has Rahat been going on for now?
Yeah, this Animal Rahat was founded in 2001.
Animal Rahat is the correct
yes,
name.
it's Animal Rahat. Rahat is the meaning relief.
Okay.
So it's relief to all the animals.
Correct.
So basically it has been set up in 2001 and it has been like by the PETA US, which is the largest animal protection organization. I think you might be knowing about it.
Correct. So PETA US is responsible for Rahat, Animal Rahat.
Animal Rahat, founded by
them.
Yeah.
Okay.
And thereafter, from 2001, we have been working for the India's working animals.
All these working animals. Is what you all help.
These are our focus point, but we are also working for the other animals which are like abundant.
And why have you chosen a place like Sangli? I mean, this is the middle of nowhere.
Yeah, the reason for choosing Sangli, because we are like Animal Rahat is set up in Sangli, Sholapur and Pandharpur, which are the adjacent towns of Sangli.
Okay.
And basic reason was like there are sugarcane mills over here, and these are a lot of working bullocks which are working here.
Okay, so because of the sugarcane and the production of that, there's a lot of working animals. What would you say is the main point of focus in terms of the animals that you all have rescued? What is the main problem that you all are facing?
The main problems which we are facing is they are the working animals. So majority of the cases will be like lameness. They will be quite lame. Then suppurative yoke girls on the back of the neck. These animals heavy load. So that is there, and they will be having some torture devices hang to the side of the neck, which is causing a lot of pain and injuries to the animal. And then we are having different, like there's ectoparasite infestation, which is on the body. There will be ticks and will be there, and then animal will be suffering with fever. Then there will be some gastrointestinal like diarrhea. These kind of problems are coming up for us.
Okay, come let's walk towards Rahat and see what happens. So basically, Doc, Rahat is to do with animals that are working, that need some sort of special care and attention. What happens to them after you bring them to Rahat and you treat them for their problems and all that? Is there any kind of rehabilitation process that they have?
Yes, definitely. What we are doing, we are having some donkeys in and around in the city which get hurt in the road accidents. So we bring in over here, we treat them, and the owners get back their donkeys.
Okay.
But for the bullocks, once they are getting retired, we are having the retired home for the bullocks over here. And that's what we are actually, rest of the life they are leading over here.
Okay.
So these bullocks will be for after retirement. If there are any ailment, we will treat for that. And after that, they will be spending rest of their life in enjoyment and peace over here.
So do you think bullocks are instrumental in the local economy, and would you believe that in your professional judgment, I'm going to ask you this question, that you worked so much here, would this economy flourish or be the same without the working bullock?
No, it's an agriculture-prone area, you see. So without bullock, still like it is not being so much mechanized that we can think without bullock.
Right.
So still with bullock.
So you can't imagine it without the bullock.
Still we cannot imagine.
So great. I think I have found my working animal for today. Our story is going to be around the bullock. So I think let's go inside, get the show on the road, and visit Animal Rahat and find out what the bullock has to offer and what are the problems that we have. So let's go inside. Come. So this is it?
Yeah, this is the Animal Rahat.
Very nice. This is as rural and as agricultural India as it can get, huh? Amazing, wonderful. Well, like I said, we have found our working professional for today's episode, the humble bullock. And let me just tell you, this is the cornerstone the cornerstone of the Indian economy, because we are an agricultural economy, and without them, we would not be where we are. Now, while we found out a little more about the bullock from Rahat, why don't you guys go and find out a little more about bullock before we start off today? So let's go inside, Doc.
Okay.
Did you know that a female bull is called the dam and the male sire? The siblings of a bull have separate names too. The brother is called a steer or bull and the sister is a heifer. We bet you didn't know that now, did you? The father of all cattle is Auroch, the great wild bull. All modern day cattle get their traits from him. However, over time they have got smaller but retain their ancestral fierceness. Bulls play an integral part in the world of agriculture. They are hitched together by a wooden frame called a yoke, which allows them to work together and to pull very heavy loads. They are extremely strong beasts. Bullock carts were one of the earliest and most popular modes of transportation in the 19th and early 20th century and are used in many countries even today.
Boom ban dee, a doom dum dee, a doom dum.
India's #1 news app just got even better. Download NDTV's new app. Fully optimized for retina display. Full screen view. Faster response time. And Sudoku. NDTV's new iPad app. Download now.